Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about CV, that how you make a professional CV for acceptance letter for Chinese government scholarship. In the first video we learned that how you send email to Chinese professor for acceptance letter, and in this email, on that email which you send to Chinese professor, which thing will you attach with that email? So the thing which you attach is CV, and how you make this CV. Before making this CV, some question comes in your mind, and the first question is that which CV pattern you can use for CSC scholarship for acceptance letter, in other words. So any of the pattern you can use, any of the CV format you can use, but the CV format which I show you in this video, after discussing these 4 or 5 questions, we will go to the computer screen, and I will go to the computer screen and I'll show you that how you make CV. And also show you the pattern. So the second question is that experience, which thing you need to add in your experience portion, so you can learn in this video on computer screen. So, and the third one is the research direction. What is the research direction and what is the research interest? So research interest and research directions are those things which you already have some information about. That if you have already information about these topics, then it's good. If you don't have any, then don't worry, I'll discuss in this video. The research interest and research direction are basically those things in which you have command or will be commanded on that topic in future. So I'll tell you how you write these research directions and research interest. And the other one is that when you need to send these emails, you can send email anytime, but in the from the first week of September, the coming September, you should try to send emails to Chinese professor. Now we go to the computer screen and learn how you make a professional CV for acceptance letter. Now we are on computer screen. After typing Google CSC Guide official, click on the first link. It's request from my side, type in Google CSC Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here is the website cscguideofficial.com. Now you can click on this option, China Scholarship Procedure 2021, 2022 and 2023. So here is the 6th step regarding Chinese Government Scholarship 2022 and 2023. So no, you need to click on the second link. Second step here is how to make professional CV for acceptance letter. Click on this option. After clicking on that, you can see here is the detail about CV, that how you make professional CV for acceptance letter. Okay. No, the first one, you need to put your name and your department name, your phone number, your email and your WeChat ID, and in objective you need to put this one. So if you want to put the same thing in your CV, you can do that. So but I suggest you need to prepare your CV according to your qualification and according to your academic qualification. So here is the academic qualification. You must type your BS Computer Science, your degree title and your CGPA. If your CGPA is not good, then it's up to you that you have to mention your CV or not. So your university name, and here is the details. Your specialization means in which major you want to apply, and in which major you you have studied from previous degree. So it depends on you, your previous qualification. So now here is the research direction option. About research direction option, you have to wait a little bit. After in this video, at the end, I'll tell you that how you make and how you find research direction from different professors. So because I know many students have no idea about research direction, so don't worry about that. So here is the information. Here is the research directions. So you can put your research direction according to your profile, professor's profile. So how you find professor profile, I'll tell you in this video. Don't worry about that. Research and projects. So these are the headings. So you need to put these headings in your CV like that. So here is the CV. Here is the CV. You can download this CV from this website. So here is the download option button. Click here to download this CV. You can download it. You must download your CV and follow this procedure which I tell you. So now research direction has been done. Research projects, those research projects you have you already you have done in your previous degree, so email sending system and database, and these are related to computer science, so you have to left that, and you must put your research projects according to your previous degree. So if you don't have any research projects, then you leave it blank, so don't worry. No, academic projects like give some details about your academic projects which you have done in your previous education, like lab works, and for example these are web-based in furniture, sale point, email sending system according to your major. So you can must put your profile academic projects. So honors and achievements, if you got some achievements like internship certificate and sports achievements records certificates, so you can put according to your profile here. Training skills, you have any training skills like Microsoft Office, any computer skills, AutoCAD and other skills you have, then you put your training skills programs here. So extracurricular activities, so these are all headings, our headings are added here. So here is the detail headings regarding professional experience and these kind of things. Okay. Now, at the end, I also show you another CV that you can also use that one as well. So I think here is the detail. Here is the CV. This one is the another second format you have to fill. You have to use. If you want to use this one, then you can. In both formats are okay. This one and this one. Okay. So now, here is personal data. In personal data, after extracurricular activities, here is the personal data, your following, your date of birth, nationality, CNIC, passport. If you don't have passport while getting acceptance letter, you then leave this section blank and remove this passport number heading. So okay, address, give your permanent address detail here. So references, you must have to put references of details, must be the reference detail of those professors who give you recommendation letter. But if you don't have any idea that which professor you give you acceptance letter in future, then you can also left this option, so erase this option and not use this option in CV. But if you want to put your details about your professors who give you acceptance letter, then you can put detail regarding this format. Okay, and now we go to that how you find your research direction according to your major. So click on this Chinese professor's email. You need to click on this option, and you can see here is the universities list, a department wise list, means universities wise list. So using this method, this is very easy for you, that every university professor's emails are here. So just clicking on one click and you can get your desired professor's email. So here is Fudan University, East China University of Science and Technology, and all other universities, Dalian Jiaotong University, Dalian University of Foreign Languages, so Donghua University. So now I click on this university. I want to get acceptance letter from this university, and here is the majors list, means these are the majors. Must use Google Chrome while opening these links. Okay, so School of Chemical Engineering, first find your major here, and I want to click on, I say my major is chemical engineering, for example. So I click on this option, and then you can see here is the professor's detail. So these are the professor's email. Just click on one link and you can get the professor's detail. So if this page is not translated, then click on right click and click on translate to English, or here is the option, click on English. Okay, now I want to click on this professor's email. Here is a lot of professors, so you need to send emails to professors and associate professors, not to lecturers. Not send email to lecturers, okay, because lecturers have no authority to give acceptance letter. So now I click on any one professor's email, professor detail, and click on translate option, and now you can see here is the email. You copy this. You need to copy this email and paste it to the first step, in which I already told you that how to send your email. Okay, copy this email and send you to professor. And here is the research. You need to find your research direction. Here is the research direction. So you can use the headings like research directions or research interest. Both are okay. If you want to type research interest here, then you can use that. So don't worry about that. Okay, you copy one or two research interest from one professors and copy another two research interest from another professor's profile and make and total 5 to 10 professor 5 to 10 research interest, copy these research interest and paste here. Okay, now I want to find another university professor's email. So I click on East China Normal University, ECNU. Okay, here is the ECNU. So I click on the ECNU format here, and you can see here is the departments which offering majors. So you need to visit our website daily, because on daily basis we update faculty links here, because 280 universities offering CSC scholarship. So still we update 25 to 30 professors, 25 to 30 universities email here. So on daily basis we update here. So you need to visit our website, and in the upcoming 14 to 50 days, inshallah, we will cover all these. So you have to wait and you have to visit CSC Guide official. So I click on the one link, School of Geographic. I want to get the professor's emails here from this website. So click here. After that, you can see here is the professor's email and details. So I need to if I want to say that I need this professor's emails, click on Chinese English, translate to English, and open this page. Here is sometimes professor detail is given, but email is not provided here. Email is not be shown, so you not need to worry. So here is just copy this email. If any professor have not show their if professor not shown their research interest, then no need to worry. So just copy this and send it to the professor's email. So good luck. Again, I say my English is not good, but I'll just make videos for those users who not understand Urdu or Hindi language. So that's why I just make this video in English. So you can, here is the detail, and I want to open another professor's email. So here you can see here nitrogen biochemical. From one university you have to pick 4 to 5 professors research direction, and you can use this those research direction for every university or for that university. Okay, if you want to change research direction from other university, if you can change that, so don't worry about that. So you can see here is the detail of professors and also you can see here is the detail about 280 universities 280 universities faculty link. Okay, it's all about universities link. So you click on this link, you can get the faculty link of political sciences and Shanghai University of Sports and Shanghai University of Traditional. All these are here, but from university to university we update daily here, and but you have to face a little bit problem regarding this. Sometimes you have to face, because mostly students got acceptance letter from last year, but when they will apply, they need to face the problem regarding their major, because their major is in Chinese. They get acceptance letter from professor, but in online portal major shows your teaching language is in Chinese. So they are much confused, because for this reason I am working on back end, that in which universities your major is in English and in which universities your major is not in English. So following this procedure you can get your desired result. You need to visit our website daily, and inshallah you will get update here. Good luck and take care of yourself.